Hey everybody, so I'm vlogging today. I'm gonna do an unboxing vlog. Yeah, instead of just like a normal unboxing video, I'm just gonna do an unboxing vlog. But you can't tell, but I'm trying out a new lens right now. It's like giving it this wide effect. I don't know, I'm just trying it out. I got that lens. I got a new camera bag, nothing fancy. I had already opened my mouse. Oh my god, I can't even find it. One sec, guys. Okay, so I already opened my mouse for my computer. This is what it looks like. Yep, and so now I've been waiting. I'm gonna unbox this because I actually needed to do a voiceover. So this is what I'm gonna unbox. Okay, after struggling and struggling, I finally got it out. This is what it looks like. Whoop. Pop that right on off. Take that right on out. A little snowball. Right. I guess that was it. I guess everything's in this box. Here's a little tripod and the USB wire, and of course instructions. So this is what you all get. I got this at Walmart for 50 bucks. Well, my husband got it for me because I really needed a mic to do my voiceovers, and this is what he grabbed. So yay, it's okay. I love it. I'm excited to try it out. Alright, and that's pretty much it. All what I got Black Friday. You'll hear my daughter. But the rest was just toys and stuff I got. The rest was just toys and stuff I got for my kids. I really didn't too much get anything for me and my husband. He didn't really get anything for him because he really didn't want anything. Like, we were there and there's not much that we seen that we wanted. I mean, I got a new bed set and some rugs, but that's boring. I'm not gonna show you guys that. But sorry for this lighting. Like, I am just in my room right now, just vlogging, so I will have better lighting in the next video. Say hi. She just gotta be all up in the camera. You gonna say hi? You hear my other daughter in the background. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to my mommy channel.